So this is what I'm looking at today. Gold is in downtrend, as we all know, and on 4 hours time frame, it's also on a downtrend. On daily, on a downtrend, but there is a little bit, would I say, confusion here, but I believe that it's going to it will keep dropping. This is support zone here, and yesterday gold took it out, then rejected back and closed, as in closed above it, not below it, but it didn't break it. So I'm thinking that gold might do this today, might buy to this zone, then before continue dropping, or it might get to this support resistance, sorry, before continue dropping. So it will be like head, head and shoulder. Here will be like head and shoulder. So this is the shoulder, head, shoulder. So I'm looking at gold might form this pattern before it will continue dropping on this daily time frame. But on 4 hours time frame, now goods is inside this, as now support have turned to resistance on this 4 hours, is inside this resistance. That's where it's turning back. But on other platform, I don't know why it's not here. There is engulfing pattern there. There is bullish engulfing. This thing is respecting. This is bullish engulfing that's pulling it back. So I don't know whether it will pull it back to this current bearish engulfing, then for it to start dropping. This particular candle will close in 21 minutes. So if it close in 21 minutes, there is bearish engulfing. So I believe that it will still go up to here before dropping, because the ray is respecting this particular bullish engulfing. So on 1 hour time frame, so this is what I'm looking at here right now, 1 hour time frame. Now gold did change of character here, because it did change of character for buy here, then broke this high, but it didn't continue, drop and did another change of character here. So after doing the change of character here, it still go up and form lower low, then higher low, then it took out this lower low. So what I'm expecting gold to do now is to come back to here and keep dropping. So I will use this zone as my entry, or this zone will be like, if you are using this zone, if your stop loss is here, then you are risking like 78 pips. If you want to use this level, then you'll be risking like 100 and something pips, almost 140 pips. So it depends on how much you want to risk. If you want to use this level, if you want to use as an entry and use here, then if this almost 80 pips or 70 pips stop loss is much for you, then you can maybe think of using this zone as your entry, which there to here will be like 51 pips. It's okay for you to change your entry if you wish. And if you want to use here stop loss, then your stop loss is going to be like 100 pips. So this is what I'm waiting for gold to come back to this zone. But this is a zone on its own to this zone for me to look for a sell, for me to continue going down. Already, you know that gold is in downtrend, it has been massively dropping to the extent that it doesn't really give the opportunity to enter the level you are thinking that it might get to. It will not get to it. It will start saying that's what I'm just contemplating in my head right now, because this bearish engulfing on 4-hour time frame might pull it back. Maybe it might not even get to here. So I might think of risking that 80 pips on this trade, or I will still wait and see if it can cross. But the way it's moving since all this while, if you just test any resistance, it will just start dropping. Doesn't even really pull back like that. So this is my scenario on gold. To come back here, take a sell here, somewhere here, then let's target this low, or if you wish, you can target this next zone, because whatever may go take out this low is coming to this zone. So it depends the one you want. And this is another scenario for buy. If gold fail to hold here, then if you break here, come back, let's take a buy from here, because whatever may go take out this lower high, then it has no change of character. Then maybe let's take a buy here to follow it up to their zone I mentioned, to here or to here, before it will start dropping, if it will drop. Because if you look on daily time frame, if you get to here, that's where it will do that head and shoulder pattern. But it will get somewhere here where it will still look like head and shoulder pattern in different form. So I don't know the one it will respect, this zone or this particular zone. So I think this the two scenario I'm looking at right now to sell, as in to buy or sell gold. And I didn't do any analysis yesterday. I didn't, but I took a sell here yesterday. If you follow my analysis, you know the way I trade. When gold broke this low, and when this particular candle came to retest it, I sold gold there and it dropped. I made money with this drop. And the analysis I did on, I think on Wednesday, well, I told you guys that if gold take out this high, come back, we'll look for a buy. But gold didn't take out this high. Didn't. Even with the body, it didn't. So then this is when they released the CPI. CPI didn't really do anything. Then when gold dropped and took out this low, then came back and retest here, as I explained to you guys, and massively dropped. So I took a sell here as well. So this particular analysis now, definitely what I just explained here, now one of them will definitely happen. So just open your eye and keep looking at it. Coming back here, if gold is going to continue selling, definitely it will respect and continue selling. But if it's not going to continue selling, it will break it then and keep moving. So let's just see how this will play out, guys.